So I've got bath running. Right, this is the new harness that I got Roxy, which, as you can see, someone's unpicked it. Not it's snapped and been pulled off within 4 goes. She's only worn it a couple of times, so I've had to re-stitch it. But yeah, this is the stupid shit that goes on in here. Nothing else wrong with it. I've checked it. Hoover's, the lawnmower's again playing up. And let's just go and have a look at this. Stay there, snatch. I've got a bath running. Come on, in. Yeah, I've still got to replace a gate post. The fence panel beside it has been deliberately messed about with so the dogs can escape, which I'm finding a little bit fucking tedious, because that's stuff going on inside the home and outside the home. You know, it's getting a bit too much. So I've been pottering around the garden clearing everything up, so it's all good. Right, I'm going to go and get in my bath.